My name is Vicki Hodge. I'm principal at Baxter Elementary. I'm here to talk a little bit about social emotional learning today. Social emotional learning is caring about the whole child. In order to really teach students about social emotional learning, in the Anchorage School District we have 15 standards that really help us to be able to teach students about how to manage their emotions, how to be self-aware, and then how to interact in a positive way with others and within their community. Social emotional learning really it's teaching students how to be self-aware, how to manage their own emotions, how to meet their social and emotional needs. And then when we've done that, we have happy learners. We have students that can focus on academics because they're not sidetracked with a lot of other issues. And because of that, our test scores are higher. We have noticed a definite difference in our academic achievement. We have less office referrals. We have a positive school climate where students treat each other respectfully. And it's interesting because of having done this program or this method of teaching for now 7 years in this building, how our students that have been here, when we have new students come in, they train them, they teach them the matrix, they teach them the expectations. And so because of that, we can get students become a part of our school climate, and they just meld in and they are successful. And so social emotional learning is making a difference for the students at Baxter.